Short circuit protected DC power supply. We have a typical circuit here where we have a transformer and a bridge rectifier, a voltage regulator for getting certain constant voltage. But in order to carry out some experiments, this is supply A, this is supply B. Now supposing we would like to carry out some experiments using this particular 5 volt, maybe certain times this output may get shorted. In that case, there will be excessive current flowing here and the power supply or the regulator might get damaged. To protect that, what we have done is we have tried to build around this circuit to protect that. We'll see how it functions. When the voltage is 5 volt available here, straightforward after rectification 5 volt, it first starts flowing this way because it cannot go this way. There is no path available here, it goes this way and comes via this and switches on this transistor. Once this transistor conducts, this current starts flowing through the base emitter of this Q1. In the process, this point comes to this place and roughly 5 volt or nearly 5 volt is available here. And there is a load connected here. In the process, the load starts drawing the current. We'll see that. So when we switch on this, what we find that yes, the current is flowing this way. First it started flowing this way. After that, the main current starts flowing this way. So the LED gets reverse biased, it doesn't glow, and the voltage roughly is 5 volt and current is 60.7 milliamperes as per the load connected here, and then this current is about 77 milliamperes. Now if we short circuit this, what we find, this current goes to 0. You can short circuit this current goes to 0, voltage goes to 0, this current falls to 12.6 milliamperes. So greatly protecting the power supply without any problem. And the indication also gives that there is a short circuit which has happened. We'll see whether it is really functioning in that fashion or not. For that, let's disconnect this. As I told you, this is the starting current. Now once I switch on this, I find now the current is not flowing here. Why? Because unless the current flows and switches on this transistor, it's not going to work. So what we do is we can connect for experimental purpose, let us connect a push button switch here and we give this connection to this and here of course to this, and to see how it works. Now when we just trigger it once, the current starts flowing this way and it has switched on this. In the process, this has switched on and the voltage is available here, and that's how the working is taking place. So the main important is this: initially it provides the current and subsequently it is reverse biased, and it works only when this short circuit happens. So we can see that again by removing this. So this point is actually connected to this point, and while we function the operation, we find the short circuit. You can find the short circuit light glows, and you can see the direction of current which is flowing is of course AC, so it is going positive negative at every cycle, every half cycle. So this is how a short circuit protected power supply helps in trying with experimental circuits. Thank you.